everyone. Today we will study about beaches and dunes. Before starting our today's topic, don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel. So beaches and dunes. Beaches are characteristic of a shoreline that are dominated by deposition. So the beaches are formed when the deposition is carried out by streams and rivers like sand, silts and many other things, but may occur as a patches along even the rugged shore. Most of the sediments making up the beaches come from the land carried by streams and rivers or from wave erosion. The sandy beaches which occur so permanent may be reduced to very narrow strip of coarse pebbles in some other season. In some other seasons, the beaches which occurs as a many permanent may be reduced to a strip of coarse pebbles. Most of the beaches are made up of sand-sized material. Beaches called single beaches contain excessively small pebbles and even cobbles. Now, the sand lifted and winnowed from over the beach surfaces will be deposited as a sand dunes. So sand dunes are formed when a wind carries the sand pebbles and deposit in one place, then sand dunes are formed. Sand dunes forming the long ridges parallel to the coastline are very common along sedimentary coast. So in near the sedimentary coast we will see a parallel ridges to a coastline. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.